Hi CityWire, I'm Rob Shanahan, and for 30 years I've been the go-to photographer for the world's most exclusive inner circles. I'm talking about personal, all-access photography for Ringo Starr, Rolling Stones, Aerosmith, Paul McCartney, Van Halen. For your CityWire CIO Summit in Austin, I'll bring that Backstage pass to your stage. And we're not just going to be talking and looking at photos. We're going to step inside the room. I'll share the mind-blowing, behind-the-scenes stories of what happens when the world's biggest icons are pushed to the limit, accompanied by a cinematic slideshow of my most legendary work. But here's the secret. There's a method to the magic. I'll deconstruct the active synchronization, the icon's blueprint, the elite performance habits that allow these legends to deliver 100% every single night. Austin is the live music capital of the world, and I'm ready to bring that high voltage energy to your event. Let's give your team an experience they'll never forget. I would love to see you in Austin.